Here is a double-handed tool. The principles are the same as the single-handed one. Adjustments will need to be made on both clamps to get the proper grip on the tubing. This tool is used for inserting tees. Clamp down either side on your tube and cut out the middle section. Like the single-handed tool, you'll want the tubing to stick out of the clamp about 1/4 inch. Place your tee with one end lined up in the tubing while you gently squeeze the handles closed and position the other end of the tee to where it will line up with the other tube. Holding the fitting in place with one hand and squeezing the handles against the side of your body is the best way to clamp it down tight. It's awkward at first, but you'll get the hang of it.